Hey everyone, my name is Daniel. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are back at you guys with another video. Alright, so let's get started. Today, we have a new invention to show you. This is an experimental prototype of a pulse magnetic motor. This motor has 6 rotors with 12 permanent magnets each. The permanent magnets on the rotors are slightly offset to each other. They are slightly on an angle. The rows of permanent magnets alternate north, south. At the bottom, we have a single electromagnet that's the same length as all the rotors combined and can affect all the rotors at the same time. On this side of the motor, we have a timing wheel. Even though there's 12 magnets on each rotor, there's only 6 contacts on the timing wheel instead of 12. We'll explain why. The electromagnet has a north polarity. When a row of permanent magnets with north polarity lines up with the electromagnet turns on and pushes the permanent magnets away. And at the same time, the next row of permanent magnets facing south is attracted to the electromagnet, since unlike polarities attract. We are getting double purpose with the same pulse. Originally, we built this prototype to experiment with alternating currents. We wanted to see whether a single electromagnet energized by alternating current can cause the rotor to rotate. We will turn on the power and show you what happens. The alternating current alternates at 60 times per second. If the rotation of the rotor is not synchronized with the frequency of the alternating currents, the motor will not be able to accelerate. The alternating currents are able to continue the rotation of the rotor, but unable to accelerate the rotor to high RPM. We believe that the rotor needs to be surrounded by a number of electromagnets energized by alternating currents at different phases. While some electromagnets have north polarity, others will have south polarity, and they will work together, the same way an induction motor works. Now watch what happens when we energize the motor with alternating currents while the rotor is standing still. There will be a lot of vibrations, but not rotation. Here, we have a 1/2 horsepower induction motor. We took it apart so we can show you. Inside, the rotor has 2 sets of 6 electromagnets each. The 2 sets of electromagnets are offset to each other and overlapping to create a smooth rotation and acceleration of the motor. Also, as you can see here, there's individual slots on the rotor that are on an angle. In the future, we will attempt installing a magnetic rotor inside of an induction motor. If you run this motor on DC instead of AC, you can use the collapsing field energy of the coil to run a load or to recharge its own battery. Let's run this motor one more time. Thanks for watching, everyone, and make sure to subscribe because we have some really cool videos coming your way. And make sure to check out our online store at www.mindoftesla.com or the link in the description. And I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure to hit that like button, and we'll see you next time.